Hey there! So this week we're doing something completely different. It's actually not a dessert. It's not even a snack. It's actually a main dish. It's a dinner. This is actually, it's called let me check, a stuffed pepper casserole. So it's all the stuff that would normally be in the pepper, but instead it's being made as a casserole, or if it were named around here, it would be a hot dish. So that means, of course, that we have peppers. I have 3 colors, actually. Erg. 3. I'm not a fan of green peppers, so you're getting every other color instead. We have onion. We actually have cheese. We have some diced tomatoes, which I'm very happy the recipe actually says in a can, because that's so much easier. And then the recipe actually calls for very lean ground beef. So instead of that, I went for ground turkey, because that's really lean and, it seemed like a good idea. That also means that instead of using the beef broth that's in the recipe, I am using chicken stock. So then rice goes into it. I think you've seen pretty much all the ingredients now. So rice goes into it, and then it actually cooks on the stove. I was reading it as a casserole and thinking, okay, it must go into the oven at some point. But I'm looking at this recipe again, and it just says, the final step is cover and simmer until rice is tender, and then sprinkle with cheese. So I guess it's not technically a casserole. It's kind of a one-pot something. I don't know. But anyway, so that's what's going in. Probably about 45 minutes for cooking, a little bit of prep time. So I will see you in about an hour, and we'll have dinner, okay? Something different. See you in a little bit.